Mr. Chung, you talked about, you put out some really key points, and I really appreciate you being so clear on what you believe needs to happen. Could you speak a bit more in depth about, in terms of what Canada needs to do more in terms of monitoring the trial? You talked about the importance of calling for the release in the Magnitsky laws and the monitoring at the UN. And you cited one piece that I think was something that we haven't talked enough about, and that's the foreign influence transparency registry. Can you speak a bit more in depth about that? We have the inquiry ongoing right now, but can you speak about the importance of that piece and maybe elaborate a bit more in depth?
Well, I think it is well known by now that CSIS has produced reports that Chinese Communist regime has inserted their interference on local elections or even national elections in Canada. And that is not new to many Hong Kong Canadians or Chinese Canadians here. But in order to stop these type of foreign interference, the first step is to create transparency. And this foreign influence transparency registry would require these foreign agents to report on any formal connections or any transactions they provide to Canadian public officials. In that way, at least that would give the public an understanding of what is going on. So that is really one of the first steps that Canadian government should take to at least create some barriers to these types of interference that knows boundaries. The other thing is we should certainly monitor the progress, the evolving of the Jimmy Lai's and 47 people's case, as well as the Article 23, which is national security law that would be produced by Hong Kong itself, in addition to the national security laws been imposed by the Beijing government in 2020. This Article 23 would redefine state secrecy and also redefine foreign connections. In so doing, the law would prohibit a lot of exchanges or make certain connections or interactions off limit, especially for journalists and for civil societies, academics, and other organizations alike. And in assessing and analyzing.
Thank you, Mr. Chang. You got almost 1 minute extra. We cannot.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.